It's zucchini harvest day. Woo woo! Our first zucchini harvest of the summer 2019 from our tower garden. Only 10 days from seed. Peace everyone. Audrey's Piece of Mother Earth is back and it's our first zucchini harvest. And this zucchini I let go way too long. Like, oh my goodness. Gotta try to cut him. I can't even get in there to cut him. Look at this. Oh my goodness. All these wild prickly leaves. Let's try to snip it here. Let's move some leaves out of the way for you guys here. Man, come on off, guy. Oh boy. All right, let's move on to one of our other ones. That one I think I'm gonna need 2 hands for. Here's another big one. Should be able to get him because his stem I can actually reach. So I should be able to show you this one. Let's try. Strong, guys. Oh, he dropped. Here he is. Woo! All right. We have some other little ones. See right there? Right there. So I'm going to let them go till they're a little bit bigger. They're too small still to cut. I'll let them go a little bit longer. All right, I'm gonna get off and get that other big guy off. Peace out.